must fix it. That. And after that, we play like 75, 80%, and our quality, and we show good character last couple of minutes. And I think if we want something more, we must play with more energy, like start from the beginning of the game and play all game like with full energy and try to beat everybody, go over the every screen, and that's the only thing how we can play.
Thank you. Do we have any questions for Dario? Is everybody happy with Dario?
Dario, Jošim Brajdić, učinili, moram se predstaviti. I have a question about you didn't dribble too much against their power forward like you did at the end of the game, and it was very successful. You scored and you had +1. Why you didn't do that before? To bring them out and to penetrate?
I don't know, in this game I didn't start very well, it's my opinion, and I think coach see that, and we got more action from me when I go outside and play one-on-one against foreman, but today we didn't call, and it's okay because I wasn't in a good shape, and this is correct because Ante Tomic was in good rhythm, Bojan, and it's okay because we got so much talents in this team, but for other games we must analyze and give to every player how he can play in some situation.
Anybody else have a question for Dario?
Thank you.
Coach Brasic, go with it.
So we start getting very soft, changing the baskets in both sides, and after that the team isn't after that we are always looking to catch the other team. I think this is a typical game, as we see all nights in Eurobasket Champions. So no, it's not everything bad, no. So when you leave the other team with 72 points and they have 50% of the 3 points, means something. And we work hard. Maybe in the moments not looking like this, but in many moments of the game, other teams have great problems without defense. So this is the way how we can do something in the important games in the future. No. So very difficult game, very tough game. We are not playing very good, but important is we are now second, and we go in the second position in the France.
Thank you. Any questions for Coach Tarasovic?